tried to tell you guys that secret to grow your IG channel, and not everybody doing it. I told you guys though. Yo, it's your boy Kenyon Long, man. Thank you for checking out this video. Yo, man, they stole my secret. I tried to give you guys a heads up, man. So what you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell so you won't get left out again, man. I want you with that FOMO. All right, join my subscribe gang. Yes, they hold your boy down. All right, and make sure you go ahead and follow me on IG. You know I drop that content all the time, every week. All right, and all the links below, man. Just get all that good stuff, man. I told you guys, everybody was sleeping on IGTV. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. I told you guys, look, IGTV, I noticed it was taking off. I was dropping some videos on there, and then next thing you know, they started getting higher than my news feed. So I'm gonna tell you again, man, it's all about Instagram stories, and it's all about IGTV, man. Yeah, now everybody's doing it now, from the small creators to up to Gary V. All right, but everybody's getting, you know, particular with it. Some are keeping it horizontal and leaving all this space at the top, so it's still horizontal. Before they was doing the turn your phone this way, rotate this way. All right, and some people are doing it like me. I'm shooting vertical, so keeping it a buck, shooting it vertical, man. So IGTV, man, you can grow from there, man. You can post your links. Why are people still doing this? I hate it. I got friends, and I don't know because they older or something. I don't know. They're not older. They're younger than me. Yo, I got friends that's posting straight up links in their freaking newsfeed. It don't work. Go to IGTV. It's right up there. Hit your link. Put your link in there. You got all that space on IGTV, man. So I post links to my merch. Hey, help a creator out. Buy some merch. So I post a link to my merch, and I post a link to my merch. All right, post a link to my YouTube channel, so you guys subscribe to that, man, and whatever else I got going on my podcast. So IGTV, man. I don't know why I gotta tell you guys this, man. I'm trying to help y'all guys out, man. Go ahead, pull up, man. All right, make your vertical video or your horizontal video. Get that Inshot app. All right, get that Inshot app. Drop that video in there. Inshot got it for you. 9:16. As we go over here, scroll on over. Check it out. 9:16. Boom. Take that, export it. You're gonna drop it into IGTV, man. And then come with your hashtags, come with your links, and you're good to go, man. And I'm telling you, a lot of conversation comments are dropping down on IGTV. Everybody, it's like, I don't know, man. I gave you guys a secret, man. Now everybody doing it, man. Now I gotta figure out something else that everybody ain't doing and jump over there. But I'm still doing IGTV. Don't worry about that. IGTV, man, that's what you need to do right now. Stop what you're doing. Get the Inshot app. Download that, man. And I'm not sponsored by them. I just use it. And I'm giving you guys the tools I use as a comedy content creator, right, to explode, all right, on IG or whatever, man. And I'm still climbing, man. I ain't up there. I'm still climbing, bro. We climbing together. So these are tools, tricks, and trades I use. I'm telling you, everybody's doing it, so you might as well do it, man. It's your boy Kenyon Long. Check out this other IG tip right now.